Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Zonizam bin Ishaq. My matric number is 300714. Today, I will explain about the petrol station database system.
First thing first, in order to create database, I need to click the new button in the left and key in the database name, which is petrol station database system, and click the create button. After that, I create the first table, which is table customer. In this table, I made the customer ID as the primary key. This customer ID is integer with the maximum length 8 digit. The customer phone number also an integer with the maximum length 8 digit. For address, it is a varchar with the maximum length 255 character. For date register, I just put date type, and for the email, it was a varchar with the maximum length 30 character. Next, I fill the vehicle table and make vehicle plate number as primary key. It is a varchar with the maximum length 9 character. For the customer ID, I set it as a foreign key, an integer with the max length 8 digit. For model, I set it to varchar with the maximum length 20 character. I also set color column as text with the maximum length 20 character. The third table I create is fuel pump table. In this table, pump number is a primary key and integer with the maximum length 2 digit. Next, for the fuel type ID, I set it as a foreign key and varchar with the maximum length 4 character. I also made a status column as a text and installation date as date. Next, for the fourth table, I made fuel type table. I made a fuel type ID as a primary key and varchar with the maximum 4 character. After that, I made type name column as varchar with the max length 9 character. I also create price per liter column and set as decimal with the precision of 9 scale of 0. And octet rating, I set it as integer with the maximum length 2 digit. The fourth table I create is a fuel cell table. In this table, cell ID is the primary key and is set as an integer. Then, I made vehicle plate number as a varchar with a maximum length of 9 characters. Fuel type ID is a foreign key with a varchar type and maximum 4 characters. I also added cell date time as a date type, liter dispense as a decimal with the precision 5 and scale of 3, and cell amount as a decimal with the precision 9 and scale of 0. Next, for the fifth table, I made a payment table. Payment ID is the primary key and is an integer. I also add cell ID as a foreign key and set it as an integer. Payment date time is set as a date type. Amount paid as a decimal with the precision of 9 and scale of 0. And payment method as a text type.